Today I will be showing how to kill the Colossal Titan boss easily. I recommend you to use any gear with healing. The best gears for the job is Godly gear and Savage Demise gear. As soon as you load, go to the location I go to. This location makes it easy to survive. Copy what I do. Grapple up onto the water for F cannon. If the ground turns red, let go and get cover. Just repeat this process. I recommend attacking to the top part of his back, not the back of the head, then keep moving to getting rapid strikes on him. From here, just repeat over and over again. Well, that's all for today's video.